Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. John here. Now I got these Toebox protectors on Amazon. Let's go ahead and open them up and see what they look like. I am curious to find out how well these are going to work for us. Now, okay, this comes with, okay, it's a set of 3. So I've got 3 different units in here, actually 3 different pairs. Forgive me, I do use my teeth for everything. All right, now here's what they look like. Now, first thing I'm noticing here is that they are indexed for left and right. You notice that these are a little bit different there. So that's gonna be important to pay attention to. Also, these things are really lightweight and they've got lots of breathing holes in here too. So I think these are gonna be pretty, and they're flexible. I think it's gonna be pretty comfortable as we walk. And I think that, like I said, breathable, comfortable, very, very lightweight. Let's go ahead and see how these are gonna work. All right guys, so I've got these shoes here. We're gonna leave these looking fly for years to come, and I'm not gonna have any creases in the toes because of these toe box protectors. So we just slide those in there like that, and these things are gonna be crease free and looking awesome.